Hello again. Slightly different video than usual. No glossy black underpaint, no fancy iridescent color changing or holographic spray paints. Just some basic maintenance that I'd recommend for anyone printing things from Shapeways. This set, Flower Pendants Batch 2, is printed with what Shapeways calls full color sandstone. If you could feel it, you would know why. This material comes in two finishes, natural and glossy. This one is natural. The glossy finish has a thin coating that helps protect it from chips and water damage and brings out the details by smoothing the surface. The problem for me is that the glossy finish costs a little more. Not much per piece, but it adds up when you buy them in large amounts like I do. This set of 9 costs $189.46 with a natural finish, and $226.55 in the glossy finish. That's a difference of, let me check the old calculator, boopity boop boop boop, $37.09. Yep, it adds up fast. Instead, this can of Krylon Clear Coat cost me just under $9. My advice to you is this. If you're just buying one or two items, get the glossy finish and save yourself the trouble. If you're buying a whole bunch, either all at once or a few at a time, order them the natural finish and coat them yourself. Any can of clear spray paint will do. I've even used clear nail varnish for objects with tricky shapes that make it hard to reach all the surfaces with an aerosol. Now you may ask, Reaper Media, won't the professionally coated ones look better than something I did myself? Well, take a look at these. One of them I ordered in the glossy coat just to see how it looked, and the other one I did myself. Can you tell which is which? Comment below if you can. Hey, you've got a 50-50 chance, right? Always do this in a well-ventilated area, and don't give it too thick of a coat. Use multiple, thin coats, or else you get drips. And make sure you give it enough time to fully dry before flipping it over to paint the other side, or you'll get a great big fingerprint right in the middle of it. I'll bring you back when they're all done and show you how they turned out.